Welcome to AI Age Labs, where we explore the future of artificial intelligence and what it means for all of us.
AI can recognize you, write code, even roast you. But what if that's just the beginning? Ava, we've seen AI do some crazy things lately. But are we underestimating how powerful it's becoming?
We absolutely are. Most people think AI is just a tool, but it's quickly becoming something much more powerful. AI can now recognize people instantly, even without any context. That level of understanding wasn't possible just a few years ago. It can even generate humor and respond like a human.
That's actually crazy. It's not just smart. It's behaving human.
And in some cases, AI is already writing most of the code developers use. Some developers are now managing AI instead of writing code themselves.
So this isn't just about tools anymore. This is about replacing how work is done.
Multiple professionals using AI tools across industries: designer, analyst, business dashboard, smooth transitions.
That sounds powerful, but also a little dangerous.
Think about this. Humans became smarter than gorillas, and gorillas lost control of their future. Now we're building something smarter than us. Intelligence decides who stays in control.
So are we heading towards something amazing or something we can't control?
That depends on how we build and guide AI. It could create abundance or completely reshape our world.
Either way, one thing is clear. AI is becoming more powerful than we ever expected. And the sooner we understand it, the better prepared we'll be.
If you enjoyed this conversation, make sure to follow AI Age Labs, because this is just the beginning.